China has amazed the world by transporting thousands of tons of concrete to the top of a nearly 600-meter-high mountain to build great bridges. Combined with the most advanced technology, with the cutting-edge techniques applied by Chinese engineers, these works not only make people eyes wide open, mouths wide open, but also become symbols of creativity and outstanding talent. Welcome back to Explore the World. Have you ever heard of using rockets, which are meant to be launched into space, to build bridges? Or bridges that can be raised and lowered precisely with just a click of the mouse. And also the invincible giant machines, capable of completing a massive bridge in just a few days, making anyone who witnesses them bow in admiration at the talent of Chinese magicians. Without making you wait any longer, let's join Explore the World on a journey to discover the cutting-edge techniques that created these spectacular super projects. Using rockets to build bridges, technology that surprises the world. China has amazed the world by applying a bold idea, using rockets to build bridges, demonstrating creativity beyond imagination. One typical example is the Hebei four-door bridge, located in the middle of a deep mountain valley in Badong County, Hebei Province. Named the world's highest suspension bridge in 2016, the bridge surface is 560 meters above the valley floor, equivalent to the height of a 200-story building. The construction of this bridge faced countless challenges. The two sides of the canyon have an average slope of more than 70 degrees, with some places even nearly 90 degrees. With no roads around, the construction unit could not use cable cars, and could not rely on human power due to the rugged terrain and harsh weather of the valley. Helicopters were also not a safe choice due to the high risk of accidents. In the stalemate, an employee proposed a crazy idea, using a military rocket to carry the cable across the canyon. Initially, this method was met with much opposition because it was too risky. But after much debate, the construction team decided to test it when there was no other feasible solution. With the support of the military, the cable was attached to a small rocket. After 2 test launches, the rocket successfully carried the cable to the other side in just over 10 seconds, a feat that left everyone in awe. This method was later named the rocket bridge construction method, shocking the global engineering community, and considered the pinnacle of creativity. The total cost of building the two-do Hebei bridge was about $100 million US. Not a small amount but worthy of the title, King of Height, until it was surpassed by the Baipanjiang Bridge in 2016. Baipanjiang Bridge, new record with joint technology. Not stopping there, China continues to break the limit with the Baipanjiang Bridge, connecting the two provinces of Yunnan and Guizhou. With a height of 565 meters above the river below, equivalent to a 200-story building, this bridge was recognized by Guinness World Records as the tallest bridge on the planet in 2016. 1,341 meters long, the central span of 720 meters, the bridge has 2 main pillars 269 meters and 247 meters high, using nearly 30,000 tons of steel, pulled by 112 pairs of cables. This is truly a modern engineering wonder, defying gravity with dizzying heights. Construction of the Baipanjiang Bridge faced many obstacles: rugged limestone terrain, poor strength, and countless caves hidden deep inside. There was no road leading to the construction site on the Guangxing Expressway, so all materials had to be transported by human or horsepower over a distance of more than 10 kilometers, taking up to 4 hours each trip. To avoid cracks and caves, engineers continuously surveyed, and finally raised the bridge deck to a record height of 565 meters. For the first time, China applied the technology of longitudinal suspension coupling, lifting 12-meter-long, 160-ton steel beams using cranes and modern equipment. Compared with traditional methods, this technology shortened the construction time of each bridge span by 1-2 days. Construction began in 2013, and the bridge was completed after more than 3 years at a cost of more than 1 billion yuan, affirming China's position in the field of mountain bridge construction. Huanyang Gorge Bridge, Earth's cracks about to break records. Not stopping there, China is moving towards a new record with the Huanyang Gorge Bridge, dubbed the Earth's cracks. Expected to be completed in June 2025. The bridge will reach a height of 625 meters above the Bipin River, 9 times higher than the Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco, only 67 meters, and twice as high as the Eiffel Tower. With a total length of 2,980 meters, the bridge uses 93 steel sections weighing a total of 22,000 tons, 3 times the weight of the Eiffel Tower. The total construction cost is up to $280 million United States dollars. The rugged plateau terrain of Huanyang Gorge, with strong winds, large temperature differences between day and night, and erratic weather, is a huge challenge. To overcome this, engineers used a domestic smart cable crane system, integrated with Baidu satellite positioning, allowing precise lifting and lowering with just one click. 3D scanning and virtual simulation technology are also used to detect potential collisions, ensuring absolute accuracy. When completed, the bridge will shorten the time to cross the canyon from 70 minutes to just 2 minutes, 35 times faster than before. This is not only a traffic project, but also a testament to the talent and boldness of Chinese engineers, making the whole world admire. Floating bridge without reinforced concrete. China's secret. Next, let's explore a unique bridge that does not use reinforced concrete, but still operates durably, the Shuan Floating Bridge. This is a water highway built by China on the Qingjiang River, with a length of 500 meters and a width of 4.5 meters. At first glance, everyone thinks it cannot withstand the weight, but this bridge is stable under the load of 2.8 tons of vehicles and can up to 10,000 people standing at the same time. What is the secret? Instead of using solid supports on the riverbed, the Shuan Floating Bridge is made of wooden planks, placed on a system of super high molecular density polyethylene thermoplastic pontoons. Thanks to this design, the bridge not only floats gently on the water surface, but also flexibly adapts to changing water levels. During the rainy season, when the river water rises, the buoys automatically adjust to keep the bridge level, ensuring smooth traffic without worrying about flooding or damage. You can drive across the bridge, regardless of how many wheels it has, as long as you keep your speed below 20 km/h. At that time, the gentle swaying of the river will make you feel like you are floating on the water. Many tourists call this a walk in nature, but many are also afraid of the too light buoys below. However, this is a testament to China's creativity in harmonizing construction with nature. 17,000-ton rotating bridge, cutting-edge engineering in Wuhan. Chinese engineers continue to wow the world with the Guizhou Railway overpass in Wuhan. The structure stands out for its flexible rotation to precisely fit into place. In just 90 minutes, they successfully adjusted a 17,000-ton concrete block, equivalent to the weight of 10,000 elephants, to rotate 106 degrees around a 15-meter high axis. This method not only demonstrates cutting-edge engineering, but also ensures that China's largest high-speed rail network in the world operates smoothly and without interruption. A similar technique was used on the Kingsgate Bridge, over the River Wear in Durham, England in the 1960s, when 2 halves of the bridge were built on the banks and then rotated 90 degrees to join them. But for China, rotating a giant sphere like Guizhou is a testament to boldness and absolute precision, opening a new chapter in bridge building technology. Repairing a 1,300-ton bridge in less than 2 days. Still amazed, Chinese engineers have made another miracle by repairing the Sanyuan Bridge in Beijing, a vital traffic artery connecting 48 major routes, including the Third Ring Road and the Airport Expressway, in just 43 hours. The bridge had been carrying a huge load of 200,000 vehicles per day for more than 30 years, leading to serious deterioration. To reduce traffic disruption, the government required the repair to be completed in record time. Starting at 11 p.m., engineers replaced 27 beams weighing a total of 1,300 tons, using a 2,000-ton crane system to remove the old beams and install new ones, measuring 55 meters long and 45 meters wide. The bridge surface was then resurfaced with absolute precision thanks to modern technology. This is not the first time China has demonstrated miraculous speed. In 2015, a 57-story building in Hubei was completed in 19 days. This feat was a perfect combination of advanced technology and excellent construction organization. The world's most complex overpass, Huangduan. Finally, the Huangduan overpass in Chongqing has been named the world's most complex overpass. With 20 ramps, 15 intersections, and a total length of 16.4 kilometers, the bridge connects 3 major highways and extends in 8 directions. The multi-level design, up to 5 overlapping levels of road, helps optimize traffic flow in the complex mountainous terrain of Chongqing, a city with more than 13,000 bridges. 3D simulation technology and design software have ensured safety and construction efficiency. Despite clear signage, many drivers still get lost in this maze, sometimes having to circle the city to return to the starting point. This is not surprising for a mountainous city with interwoven roads, cable cars over rivers, and subways that run through buildings, like Liuba Station on Line 2. Huangdu Bridge is a testament to the boldness and talent of Chinese engineers in conquering the most extreme terrain challenges. The invincible super machine, SLJ 930 seconds. Behind these giant bridges is the SLJ 930 seconds, a 580-ton bridge joining machine, dubbed the Iron Monster. Manufactured by Beijing Wild Joint Machinery, the machine is 91.8 meters long, 7.4 meters wide, and 9 meters high, and can lift objects weighing up to 900 tons at a speed of 5 kilometers h. Equipped with 64 rotating wheels divided into 4 clusters, it moves flexibly, lifting and placing precast beams in precise positions thanks to a pneumatic system anchored to the bridge piers. With a lifespan of 45 years, the SLJ 930 seconds can install 701,000 bridge spans, replacing the traditional method of pouring concrete by placing precast beams, saving time and effort. This is the powerful assistant that helps China create construction miracles that the whole world must admire. Thank you for watching the video up to this moment, and now goodbye, and see you again in the next interesting videos. Bye bye.